check this thing out. This is an 8.5-foot beach umbrella by a company called Brace Masters. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna set it up here. I'm out here on the creek today, and I'm just gonna be doing a little fishing, so I wanna set up because possibly it might start sprinkling rain right now. This umbrella is waterproof, windproof, and it's UV up to 50 plus. So, you know, you get several applications. This is a great for a beach umbrella. So let me go ahead and set this thing up now and show you exactly how it looks when it's completely set up. I wish the package was a little wider because it did split a little bit when I started cramming it all back down in there. Once you open this thing up, because I have used this already on the beach, once you open it up, you got to be careful not to like split the stitching. And the best way to do it is kind of like get it started and then just pull it all out right here. Put that aside, and there's two sections of this. You're gonna have the pole here, and I'll show you exactly how to use this pole. So you get where you want to go. So I need to be right here by my chair. You use this piece to screw it down into the sand. And then what you want to do is just keep going until you get it where you feel it's nice and sturdy. How handy is that? That's such a handy feature to have that right there on there, because I can really get this thing down in there deep. Once you get it where you want it, loosen that up. Super simple, just like opening any other umbrella. Wow, look at the size of this thing. So once you get it opened up, you'll kind of like lower your umbrella in there. Tighten this knob up, nice and tight. So there it is set up, check it out. It has the one button. You can lower and raise it right here like that, super simple. But there's something else going on right here. So you see this button right here, you can mash in on that. Check that out, you can put a tilt on it. So now you can put a little tilt right there on it. So now I can, all right, so just going over the specs real quick for y'all. It's 90 inches on its distance from side to side there. It can go from 69 inches to 96 inches in height right there. And the overall width from this point to this point is 56 inches. Easy to set up. Highly recommend one of these Brace Master umbrellas. I've been using it. I've used it on the beach. I'm using it out here today. And you see these are for wind. So if wind's blowing on the inside, these wind flaps will keep it from blowing off. So yeah, that's all I got today, everybody, on the Brace Master beach umbrella. Today it's a river umbrella. So yeah, see you guys in the next video. Woo!